Yeah.
I guess maybe that's how that you can be an introvert that's able to make music and be in front of crowds everywhere.
That's why I jive ka dinepe or the video because manje sekwacha space saka kunalento ya okay sharp now I must give people maybe 1 hour of my time or 45 minutes of my time because phela salibala bathu abangifoster now to music number 1
okay
and the music ke irela batho music o tshwana le shop tshwana le gore wa stoka ditamati tsa hao le di-fruits wa beya da then o emela di-consumer ba tlo baya so music o bjao ga ona motho o fostileng motho gore a bule supermarket or a ire shop gore batho ba tlo reka so le nna zange ke force le batho zange ba ngiforce gore ke music so le nna like if a kenyaki o tsaya snap a kenyaki kana kwewa if a kenyaki I don't feel like it.
And you know they don't understand. They don't understand that.
If
you tell,
unfortunately, mo ke qualifating if nak vaga mdi. Ha ona motho o nkirileng gore ke fitlhe mo ke leng teng fandag. And ha ona motho o tong ntsha mo ke leng teng ke le mo fandag.
A few moments later.
You wanna toss one? You wanna toss one? Jay with the ball. Mfuna wena. Ho. Zaza ngibe rude. Khona ukuthi ngimfunayo la. Uphuma Dlamini yena. Guys, Dlamini umuntu wami uphi? Yeah? Angeke kodwa orumapha why nithulile?
Hello everyone, Gianuchisano and welcome to my channel. Scots Mapuma has been seeing flames since that interview with El Tito. He thought he was uncancelable like Mick G, but the crowd showed him who's the boss. To make things worse, this past weekend at the Metro FM Awards, it looked like voters were boycotting any song where Scots is featured. None of the songs he's on took an award, apparently, including the popular track Biri Marung. I think after this weekend, even his management realized the situation is bad and could get worse if crowds keep rejecting him at gigs. So the whole of yesterday was just one apology after another. Take a look.
The focus on. Okay. Can you put something for me? So remember ya.
Ora ka yung Khatman?
Pagkatiti pala frustrating.
Frustrating? Pagkatiti. Kopela tswang.
Ubafa forgiveness. Wa kopela forgiveness.
Yeah, ba wang koteting sorry.
Serious.
Ke misunderstanding.
Usa ula makawaya ka wena.
Serious, ke misunderstanding.
Pare Wi-Fi how kuna hali wena?
Like how can I Scots already the attitude. How can I? So,
decided already. Wasarenda vana.
Yeah, Peace my chance.
This apology though, you know when your kid has stolen something from your neighbor and you take your kid to the neighbor's house and force them to apologize, even telling them what to say because they don't even have the right words to say. Wasarenda mfanak. Anyway, Scots also posted a written apology on Twitter saying, I want to take a moment to sincerely apologize to all my supporters. I've let some of you down and I take full responsibility. Growth comes with owning your mistakes and I'm committed to doing better for myself and for you. Thank you for still believing in me. His PR team added a cherry on top by making sure his meeting with Oskido was snapped and shared on social media. Apparently they linked up and Oskido was offering him advice about staying humble and respecting his supporters. Well, even after his apology PR yesterday, Vogue Lounge has withdrawn Scots from their lineup, saying they've taken feedback and concerns from their patrons seriously and their patrons remain top priority. Yeah, I'm sure he's regretting that El Tito interview. Sometimes silence is very golden. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.